If you're looking to add custom fonts in ShopWired, you're probably wondering how to make your store stand out with a unique look. Well, you've come to the right place because I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom fonts in ShopWired, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your store that personalized touch. The first thing you need to do is head over to your ShopWired admin dashboard. From there, you'll navigate to the Design tab in the sidebar and click on Edit CSS. This is where all the magic happens. Now, before we dive into custom fonts, it's important to understand that ShopWired doesn't have built-in font uploading capabilities. Instead, you'll be integrating fonts from a third-party service, like Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts. The process is simple, but it does require some manual steps. Next thing, you'll need to grab the link for the font you want. For example, if you're using Google Fonts, head over to Google Fonts, choose a font, and copy the link tag that they give you. Once you have that, go back to your ShopWired admin and paste this link into the &LT, head and GT, section of your site's custom CSS. The fourth thing you'll need to do is actually use the font you just added. In your CSS editor, you'll add a line of code to specify where the font should be applied. It might look something like this: CSS, body, font family, your chosen font, sans serif. This will apply your custom font to the entire site. If you only want the font to apply to specific elements, like headers or buttons, you can target those individually by specifying their CSS classes or IDs. Next, let's talk about testing it out. Once you've saved the changes, head over to your storefront and refresh the page. You should see the new font in action. If it doesn't show up right away, make sure you've copied the correct font link and that there are no typos in your CSS. The last thing is to keep an eye on how it affects your site's load time. Custom fonts can sometimes slow down your website, so it's important to check that your store is still performing well after making these changes. If you notice any slowdowns, try switching to a more optimized font or limit the number of font weights you're using. So that's how you add custom fonts in ShopWired. But hold on, there's more. You might be thinking, is there a better way to do this? Well, while ShopWired does allow for custom fonts, there are other platforms that make the process even easier and offer more flexibility, especially if you're looking to do more with your store design. Now, before you make your decision, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for a software that does a lot more than just custom fonts. It's one of the best alternatives to ShopWired, and through the link in the description, you'll get the best deal, with some benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, I've added some amazing alternatives that also come with free trials, which could be better for your goals, especially if you're looking for more design freedom and ease of use. If you want to get the most out of your website, these alternatives are worth checking out. So, hit that link in the description, grab your exclusive offer, and start building your store with the right tools for the job.